Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome to another unboxing video, and we are unboxing Marvel's Warpath. And to quote Warpath, my name is James Proudstar. I don't want to be a killer, but now I have no choice. I don't want to unbox you, but now I have no choice. So let's go. Okay, as always, before we unbox the Marvel Legends, we have to take a look at the Heroclix versions of Warpath. And using my HC Manager app or Heroclix Manager app, there seems to be 5 Warpath figures made so far. And luckily, we have all 5 of them. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss the oldest, the Golden Age figure Warpath. And this is the figure. Okay, Warpath. Okay, so this is uncarded, so we have to refer to this app for the stat and the dials. So he has the New Mutants, X-Force, and X-Men keyword. Okay, so 10 charge, 9 attack, 16 defense with toughness and exploit weakness with the X-Men team ability for 68 points. So straightforward dial for the first Warpath of in Heroclix form. Okay, so you can see he is wearing the classic Apache uniform. Okay, and this is where the current Marvel Legends inspiration is taken from. Okay, so let's take a look at the other Warpath. So the next Warpath is from the Web of Spider-Man, I guess. So this is Warpath as an X-Force. Okay, member of the new X-Force. Hellions, New Mutants, Warrior, X-Force, and X-Men. He has a special attack power, Knife Throw. Warpath can use penetrating Psychic Blast as if he had a range of 6. So he has 0, but with that special attack power, he has a range of 6. So this one, a bit more dynamic on the arms post. Okay, so we can see some information like his real name is James Jonathan Proudstar and first appeared New Mutants number 16. A quick background: blaming the X-Men for the death of his brother Thunderbird, okay, older brother I think. Briefly an X-Men member, James Proudstar joined Emma Frost's villainous Hellions in hope of exacting revenge. But over time, Proudstar has come to see things differently and now operates as one of the newly incarnated X-Force chief operatives. A mutant of great strength and deadliness, especially while using his vibranium knives. Okay, and one of the few to retain his mutant abilities after the decimation. He does what he must to defend the greatly diminished mutant quote-unquote tribe, but he's troubled over all the blood he and his cohorts have spilled. So release 2010. This is Warpath, 70 points. Okay, so we have a Silver Age Warpath here. This is from the Uncanny X-Men set. Okay, so Hellions, New Mutant, X-Force, and X-Men, similar to the previous one. He has one trait, Make Savior Pay. Opposing characters using the X-Men team ability decrease the result of their roll by 1. Okay, so he is a villain type in this particular sculpt. Apache dress, but black tone. Okay. New Mutants number 99 is the significant appearance. Okay. And then finally, we have a modern Warpath. Okay, so one from they are coming from the Rise and Fall set. Okay, but one is the Fast Forces. You can see, okay, this indicates a Fast Forces, whereas this is the common main set. So Fast Forces, 60 points. And the main set, same sculpt, but for 50 points. Okay, so let's take a look briefly at both of them. The regular one. Okay. Helion's New Mutants, Weapon X, X-Force, X-Men Warrior keywords. James Proudstar. He has a rally die trait, which is from opposing attack rolls. Stealth free. Remove Warpath's rally die to make a range attack with a 5 range using improved targeting hindering. So that's very much like his old figure. Okay, but with 5 range. Okay, so Charge, Blades Claws, Toughness, and Exploit for 50 points. A common from the set. And then the Fast Forces, okay, only has one keyword, X-Men. Okay, and a rally die for 5. 5 is like an X. So opposing attack rolls, whenever Warpath makes a close attack, you may replace a die in the attack roll with his rally die. So dice replacement is always good, especially if you're rolling lows. Okay, so yeah, straightforward dial, no additional trait or special power. So these are all the Proudstar Warpath James Proudstar figures we have. So now let's go to the main event. Okay, so on the side, we have here the illustration for Warpath. Okay, plunging forward with a punch. The same for the other side. And at the back, we have a portrait of Warpath and a short description that he is a powerful mutant with superhuman strength and speed. Warpath is a formidable warrior with a proud and noble heart. Okay, a proud heritage indeed. So he is from the Strong Guy Build a Figure wave, and he is number 6. Should contain the right leg, but in this case, this is a KLB piece, so the back part was taken out. So this made the figure cheaper. I think I got this for around 600. Okay, so let's open the figure. That's 600 pesos, by the way, so around $12. Okay, so those of you who know us, we're not gonna keep the box. So he has some alternate hands, but let's pop him out of the plastic. Okay, so he's a biggie. Okay, so not your typical 6-inch figure. Very bulky and tight joints. Okay, a little bit shiny on the leg part here. Okay, we might have to apply some wet wipes. Okay, and then again, he is wearing an Apache outfit. Okay, and I like this feather accent. And he has some alternate hands. Unfortunately, the obvious thing missing is his knives. Apologies for that. So, which is unfortunate, and because it's hard to get by, and it doesn't make sense that we have alternate hands with holding nothing. Okay, so perhaps we get the knives in another figure or from another figure, and then Warpath would just use it. Okay, so let's try to pose him. The closest would be this figure. So pretty simple, standing up with fist raised. Okay, so needs to have a proud pose. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll face him front, and yeah, that's it. That's the simple pose for James Proudstar, or simply known as Warpath. So get out of his way unless you're looking for war. Thank you very much, everyone, and see you soon. Bye bye.